All right. Good evening, my people. Good afternoon. Good morning. Anytime you are watching, I greet you. I remain your online mentor, Bro James. I want to show you and teach you how to perform taxes on Sweet Money. And before we go into that, I may like you to subscribe to this channel. I may like you to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. I may also like you to thumbs up this video as you watch. And now I want to let you know that video. So as I told you, Sweet Money is a legit business that is working and paying fast. And it is very simple to perform taxes, and the website is very fast in browsing. It doesn't take time. It's very sharp to open page in Sweet Money. Therefore, the tasks are very fast to complete. And note that when watching this video, pay attention to the places I'm clicking and the titles I am clicking, so that you will be able to follow up exactly as it is. And do not hesitate to leave a comment in a comment section in this channel. When you watch, leave a comment in a comment section. If I see that your comment is very interesting, is it a question, I will answer you. Is it a comment or any advice, I will say, and also I will look into it. So do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. If you don't know what to say, just say, Bro James, thank you for the work. It's a better one. So let's go into how to perform taxes on Sweet Money. Therefore, click on the link I sent to you, which I'm going to click right here now. I click on my link to log into my video mining account to show you how to perform taxes on Sweet Money. So look at it here. As you log in, what you are seeing here is an advert. It's not part of this website or what you are logging in for. So look at cancel by the top right corner. Click it and take it away. Look at site board by the top right corner, the horizontal three lines. Click on it. Then look at login. Click on login. It is loading. It has opened. I told you it's very fast in browsing. The advert still come. Cancel it the same way. Look at these packages. Starter 1,500 naira, Platinum 2,500 naira, Deluxe 4,000 naira. So if you are on the package of 1,500, click 15. If you're on a package of 2,500, click 2,500. If you're on a package of 4,000, click 4,000. I am on the package of 4,000, therefore I click the 4,000. All right, look at it here. We are already there. Always cancel this at this top right corner. Cancel the advert. Then okay, to log in, as you log in, they are going to give you a reward for it based on your package that you register. So now I am going to show you how to view news, and here 10 naira per news. So click on view news / ads. Click on it. All right, it has opened. Cancel this thing out. Look at all this thing: Omega Fire Ministry International, honored, and UAE for returning about 12 million naira forgotten in his cab. Look at, scroll down a little bit. At the end of this place, before they saw the another title of the another news, look at read more. But before I will go on with this, look at this title. It's a news. Look at this Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey appoint 3 Nigerians to lead Bitcoin Trust Fund. It's another news headline. Look at another headline. So below you will see read more, read more, read more. So let's use this first one to show you an example. Click on this read more. Okay, it has opened. Scroll down, scroll down. Cancel this advert. Before we go down, look at Omega Fire Ministries International, honored in UAE for returning about 12 million naira forgotten in his cap. So look at it. This is a kind of appreciation, you understand, to the ministry, to the person that returned the money. So let's go down and show you something, how to comment on this kind of a news. Look at this box, click it to pop up a pen. Then look at what you are going to do. I will now say congratulations, congrats papa for raising truthful sons in the Lord. Look at it. I will now click post comment. All right, it has opened. Look at the comment here. Cancel this advert. Look at the comment here. So you will now return back again. I want to show the easiest way. Cancel this. Then you will now come to the next news and click read more to continue. That is how to read news and comment. So I'm going to return back to my dashboard again to show you another thing. Here I'm going to log in again on my Dulux account. Therefore, as I log in, go down again. Look at how to share as. Click on it. Click on it. It has opened. Look at. You will now look at this thing here. It's a share post. Click on it. Hold. It will pop up. Highlight it. Highlight it. Then copy. Press this add. It will pop up. See download image. Click on download image. Download the image. That is how to do it. Then minimize the page. Come out. Then go to your Facebook. Open your Facebook. Look at on your timeline. Click on it. Pop up it. Then click on photo/video. It will open. Look at the picture here. Click on it. Next. It will come there now. Paste what you have highlighted in there here and click post. Look at it. It's loading to be posted. So it has done. Then go back to your news. Pop up it. Then go down a little bit. See here now. Click on here now. Then it has opened. It is telling that wait, time is counting here. Let the time count finish. As the time count finish, skip it. Click on skip ad. Here it has skipped. So look at here. I am the one. Look at hi starry one. That is my username. You have here some money. Then click me to access your account. Click it to return back to your dashboard. All right, I return back to my dashboard. So your money will be added if you never pay, but I have performed my own. Then coming to submit news/ad. Click it now. Then it has opened. Cancel this. As you open, see post title, the title of the news you want to post, but make sure this news has never recorded on Google because it might lead to another thing to your account. Make sure you are carrying a fresh news that has never published in any site, because this is linked with Google. Put the title of news, write your news content here. Then if you have, make sure you will have a picture to show. Click here and upload a picture, then click submit. It will be on review. If it is approved, they will now credit you. Okay, now that is how to do it, but I don't have news at hand to show you how to do that. Then let's return back to my dashboard. Then go back to my data. So open to the dashboard. Now I want to show you now how to get your referral link. Now to get referral link, click on here 20,000 naira daily. Click it. It will open. Read this thing. Read what is here, or it will open your eyes how to do affiliate marketing. But go down. Look at this is your link here. Here, this referral link to website is your link, referral link to registration page. Two of them, they are your link. You can fetch any one and send to your downline to register, and you will be credited. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel as you watch. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and leave a comment in the comment section so that I will know what is your problem and how the video has affected you, so that I will know if there's a kind of another video that I will make to do some correction or to also enlighten you people more. I will do so. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, more to come your way.